Hello, my name is Janis, and together with my team, Kristian and Eriks, we represent Turiba University and our first video game project. In all honesty, this is more like a test environment rather than a game, meaning the attention was paid to the game systems and their performance rather than a visual aesthetic and a core gameplay loop. That being said, let me show off what have we done so far. Two modes, single and online. At the time of the recording, online mode is not presentable due to the fact that no one else are currently online. That's why we'll check out the single player version. The game uses latest Unreal Engine as of December 2021. We are spawned in generic arena filled with props from Unreal Engine Asset Store. Making our own models does not make much sense when trying to make the game run for the first time. But that is definitely something we plan to pay attention in future. The game is based on any regular RPG concept: characters, skill tree, stats, inventory, etc. For some, visual style may remind Fortnite. However, this still has a long way to go. We can see HP and mana bar on top. I will not explain this any further. As well as experience bar on the bottom. In the background, we can see enemies patrolling or just standing. And I'm sure everyone has already an idea how to gain experience points. Our character can perform light attacks with a left mouse button. So let's slaughter some enemies and gain set XP. So this is not too hard. Couple of clicks. We do damage, they do damage. We can even miss some hits. Okay, fair enough. At the very bottom, we gain experience points and the bar filled. In this mode, I can add experience points with a dedicated button. I'll do just that so we can take a look at our skill tree. See at the very bottom, the level is increasing rapidly. Pressing tab button, we can see multiple game windows, and here is our skill tree. Available points and our skills. Let's buy some. So we buy the skills with a left mouse button. Let's pick a bunch of them. This one. Okay, so be this one. Breaker. Okay, let me demonstrate some of the skills. So first of all, we learn the set skills. Then we drag the skills in the quick bar. Some of the skills have to be aimed and some can be casted just like they are. Let's take a look at the first skill. We aim that and fire away. The skill number 3, some kind of tornado. We can just press the button and it will fire away. Skill number 2 fires in the same direction as our character is facing. Let's continue with character stats, the classic RPG element. So again, tab button, and over here in the corner we can see strength, agility, vitality, dexterity, and so on. I won't dive any deeper in this. I'm pretty sure everyone already has an idea what it does. One thing, we have to manually add the points. Some games do that automatically, this one does not. Obviously, every attribute increases some kind of statistic for our character. Now let me spawn some enemies. We'll get them to the 0 HP and wait for some loot. As you can see, some items have dropped. Let's pick some up. We are picking up with a E button, but that can be modified. Let's take them all and let's open our inventory. Now the inventory and the items. So some items do not have visual models on our character. For example, if I put on basic armor, nothing happens. Our character visually stays as it was. If I put on this mask, something changed on his face. The same is with mustache. To better illustrate the visual model change, let's put on the helmet. We can see the helmet is added. Items have their own stats. We can see, even though there's two similar axes, their parameters are different. And as well, we can equip it and it shows on our model. Currently, at this stage of the game, the item visual models are limited. Every weapon we gonna equip is gonna look the same in our hands, even though the stats and name are different. Another thing, as you can see, we have implemented rarity system. That means different tier items can be obtained, from common to legendary, from gray to orange. Over here we have found the green shield. Let's equip that. Plans for future improvements. Definitely adding a jumping mechanic. The next thing that would be crucial is adding core gameplay loop. Could be one of many game modes like story mode or maybe endless swarm or something else of the kind. Some kind of purpose to the game. More items and skills. Definitely different types of enemies. As we can see, there's only currently 2. Perhaps ranged combat. Ideas are many, but our capabilities are limited. Thanks for watching.